Hey, welcome back to Cool Kids Art, and let's draw the new galaxy skin in Fortnite. So let's get started with a quick sketch, and then I will show you line by line on how you can draw this. Alright, so let's draw this, and this character is a little bit different. There's not a lot of details in his body. So let's get started with his head, and we're going to draw in his eyes first. And this one's just going to be a little bit bigger eyes. There's going to be no detail, so it's just going to be, you can just draw two arcs like this first, and then we'll draw the bottom next. So just basically two almond shapes. Okay, and then from there we're going to draw in the brow, so right above it, just trying to slant up and then dip it back down. So same thing here, we're going to go up and then slightly dip it down. And then his eyebrow is going to be pretty thick, so we're going to go up quite a bit and just come across, and then we're just going to meet up on the ends again. Okay, so go up, come across, just dip it to the corner. Alright, so that's the eye, and let's move down to his nose. So on his nose, around the corner of the eye, just come down, make two marks, and then we'll just connect that. Then we're going to draw his mustache right underneath it. So it's just going to be from the corner of the nose, just draw in two lines like this, two curves. And then from there, we're just going to fill it in with one big curve. Okay, and then from here, let's finish out the side of the face. So on the side here, just draw two almost like bracket, slight curve to it, so we know how wide the face is going to be. And then we're going to come in. And it's going to be a little tight here because this is actually the top of his beard. Okay, and then go up. And then we'll just close it, and we don't have to draw his mouth because it's going to be underneath the mustache. Alright, and then to draw the beard, so we're going to come back up here. We're just going to come down. It's going to be tight, and then we're just going to go wide. So that's going to be the bottom of the beard. And then we'll just close it off. Okay, and then from here, let's finish up the top of the head. So in the middle here, you can make a little mark first. And then we're gonna go up, slant, the hairline, and then come back down, finish up the forehead. And then now for the hair. So the hair is a little bit tricky. Well, let's start right at the top then. We'll just draw one curve like this first, and we'll add in more details. So we're gonna come down, and then you can stop around there and just draw another line. So I'm just trying to draw clumps of hair. And then we're gonna start here again, another clump. And then let's draw the other side. So we're gonna come down, stop, go in, draw a little clump, and then this one. Okay, so little bulges here and there. And then for the details on the hair, you can draw in some lines like this. So it looks like we have some strands. Alright, so his hair is a little bit longer, but let's finish up the body first. So we're gonna come down on his neck. Two straight lines. Meet up in the middle. Okay, we'll come back up here. Here's a scarf. And then we're gonna come in to the center. And then here we're gonna extend this. So now I'm just gonna draw in some lines to make it look like cloth. And then now we can finish up the hair. So the hair is easy, we're just gonna connect that and just have it go behind the scarf area. We can add in a little bit of line here so we can show more strands. Okay, so let's draw the body. So his body, the inside is like the galaxy, right? Kind of like empty space with stars. So I'm going to draw a little bit different. So let's draw the shoulders, go out. And then as we come in, we're going to go down all the way to his waist, but leave a little bit of space. So I'm just going to leave a little bit of space there. because there's not a lot of details on its body. Actually, you don't see actually a lot of stuff. Okay, and then here there's a belt here, but again, leave a little bit of space. And then for his belt, I'm gonna come across, and again, you can leave a little bit of just spaces in the line because it's not supposed to be so clear. So here's the buckle. I'm just gonna draw maybe just part of it. And here's the loops. I'm just gonna draw a couple of lines like this. And hopefully when I color it, you see why I'm leaving all these spaces, because then you actually see, make it look like, you know, there's like a galaxy in there, or the universe. Just one line here, here, maybe one across here. All right, so now let's draw in the arm. So here's the armpit. So there's not a lot of details here. So here's the shoulder, forearm, I mean the bicep area, bracket, here's the elbow, out, pinch it in. And for the glove, close it off, and we can add in, just gonna add in, again, I'm gonna break up that line a little bit for the glove. And then here's the fist. That's gonna be the thumb, back of the fist. Curl it in. Little bracket there, and then on the back of the detail, drawing a little bracket for the back of the glove. And then let's see, let's draw the other side. So here's the armpit. Biceps, okay, lower arm, and then this one I'm gonna come all the way across. I'm gonna pinch it in. You can use the other side for reference so you know how far down. And again, I'm gonna draw a little bit more dotted line here. There's gonna be a panel here. I'll just make it a full line then. Again, his fist, thumb, back of the fist, curl it in. Little angle, and then same thing here on the back. And then it's got a strap here, and again I'm gonna do the same thing, just leave a little bit of space. Okay, so let's draw in his leg. So coming down, I'm gonna draw in the middle here, I'm just gonna draw one little slant, and then we're gonna come down the side here. So here's the middle, come over to the side a little bit, and then we gotta come down. And then just close that off. And then the other side, come down, same thing here, and close that off. Okay, and then for the straps here, I'm gonna draw the same thing, but I'll leave a little bit of space again. So 1, 2, okay, yeah, I know it's a little bit messy, but I think it'll be cool once we color it. So for the lower legs, here's the knee pad. I'm just gonna close it, and then we're gonna pinch it in all the way down to this ankle. Close it. Then here's the dome shape on the bottom. Curve, and then curve out more on this side. Close it off. And I'm gonna extend it slightly. Then slant down, and just close that off. Okay, the details, just 2 little rectangles in here. And then for the arm right here, we're just gonna draw 2 lines all the way down. Okay, come down, close it off, and then pinch it in. Close it, so it's gonna be the same as the other side. Dome shape going out. Close it. Extend the line slightly. Slant down. Close it off. 2 rectangles, and then it's got some strap here. and then 2 lines all the way down. Alright, so that's pretty much it, and I'll finish it out with the coloring. So if you want to add in you know, some stars or whatever, you can just kind of go around the body. You can add a little bit of these stars. And that is it for this galaxy skin. Hope you guys like the way it turned out, especially after the coloring. So hope you guys enjoyed this, and if you do, please do give me a thumbs up, and I will see you next time.